Oi, oi, oi. No, don't do it. No, don't do it. 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 Oh, shit. Shit.
No, look, they're smiling. It's cool.
Yeah.
They don't have a clue that Michael Schumacher is.
POV time, boys. We're going to be seeing more of this type of videos, so we're going to also go on a little bit of countryside road and a little bit on like B roads and that. Yeah, man. I can't wait. This setup is sick. I need to stop talking. Let's just get straight into the POV. When it was
Brother, why am I trusting you? I don't even know you. Like, let's be real.
Bro, it's exactly how I feel when I do my feature videos, right?
Fam, I thought this was a setup, you know. Got me in some field. Yo, come round the back.
I got some nice country roads, bruv.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say that when I come here. You know? I told you, innit?
This one's
Got some.
a little overstep on this.
Yo, when are you gonna let off, bro? Fuck a Sunstrip. I'm a Sunstrip. You know what's funny? You know what I did 2 days ago?
Go on.
It's to do with the law that we're breaking everything right now.
Yeah.
Speed awareness course. That's half a foot, yeah?
Yeah. Not full.
That's probably what it's like stock then, isn't it?
No. It's a lot more aggressive stock. But obviously this has been mapped in it, so it's a lot more aggressive.
Yeah, you trust your brakes, you know?
Yep.
They're upgraded as well, yeah?
Yeah. EBC yellow stuff.
Yeah, I can tell, mate.
It's there, cuzzy. She's smooth, innit?
Not from where I'm sitting. Yeah, light work. Oh, fuck. Cause your Haldex is up and crying.
Yeah, bruv.
Your brakes are working overtime. Everything's cooking. Good brakes.
Yeah, I know.
Good tyres as well. What tyres you got on this?
Etc. A lot of people say they're bad tyres, but I personally don't think they're bad tyres at all, bro. It's a budget tyre, innit? But
I can't lie, you've just done some serious marketing on me, you know?
Yep. Etc. I think Etc. 651 Sport.
Yeah.
A lot of people hate on them. They're track tyres, on it. Proper track tyres. So you can.
You gotta warm them up and that?
Nah, not really. No, but if it's warm, it's beautiful. But Etc. 651 Sport.
Yeah.
Track tyres, but I saw when I bought it, I read the review. A lot of people tend to use it for like drifting and that. So yeah, I thought I'd just buy it.
There's life of it.
Yeah.
Like, hooked though.
Yeah, 100%, man. So obviously when I had it on the car, I was proper like skeptical. I was not skeptical, I was a little bit scared in it. Like, how far can I push it in it? But I've been doing a lot of testing in it, testing it to see what it's like. And it hasn't disappointed me once. Also, even I've tested it in the rain as well, and been fine.
Well, I'll go straight into the lamp first. Oh,
she hooks. Oh shit.
No, look, they're smiling, it's cool.
Yeah.
They don't have a clue that Michael Schumacher is.
Oh my days, man. Oh my god.
The horse meat.
Did they not hear me, bruv?
Nah, bro, I'm sure these lot heard ya.
Oh, mate, did they not hear me? I'm sure they must have heard
The
me,
next
bro.
village heard you, cause never mind these lot.
Yeah, this village is jokes. I always rinse it in this village.
Yeah, I've noticed you seem to be the only one with a car. Like, I'm just seeing bare Citroen C4s,
Yeah, I know,
you know,
yeah.
and Up GTIs.
Yeah, that's all it is, fam. Time to wake the neighbours up,
It's your morning run.
bro.
Yo, you do this often, cause.
Nah, not often. Sometimes I don't even want it to hook, bro. I want it to go sideways, especially when I go around the bend, innit? I want the
you're
back end to
blessed.
come out, yeah, but it just won't do it, bro.
Well, I don't understand why you would want that.
It's fun, innit, bro?
You like.
Like, it's controllable. Obviously, when there was ice in it, and I come out of the junction and the back end sides out. It's fun, innit? It's like you just like catch it back. It's nice. It's fun, but it just won't do it, bro.
What about when it catches you off guard?
It never has. Like, it just sticks, bro.
You know, lucky you're a mechanic, you know, the way you're driving this. You're gonna have to have your spanner out tomorrow. Worst cars.
Yeah.
I think that's a big part of why they killed it.
Yeah. No, they killed it because it just doesn't look aggressive enough,
It
man.
don't look aggressive.
Nah.
The interior is made of Lego.
Yeah.
The list goes on.
Yeah. I think some people won't really mind the interior in it, but
Yeah.
the outside it just doesn't look aggressive, you know.
But for the price you're paying, you don't want to be like, oh yeah, whatever, the interior.
Yeah. To be honest, it's I don't know, man. It's just ugly. I'm not a big fan of them. I still think this shape S3, the 8V, is still the best looking shape
100%.
that Audi's ever made for the S3. The new shape just takes the S out of the name S3.
Yeah, literally. Just looks like the A3 now, innit?
Yeah. Pretty much, bro. Pretty much.
Yeah, your car sounds pissed off.
Yeah, I know. It's very aggressive. Like the pulls, everything is so aggressive.
Fam, does this keep up with an RS3 stock?
I'd like to think so, yeah, but I haven't tested it yet.
Gotta do that soon.
Yeah, I have to.
It's only a matter of time.
Yeah, I reckon it will.
I reckon it will.
Alright.
No.
Yeah, so this one here is nice.
Yeah, bud. Samir, you were breaking the car.
No, don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it.
No. Fuck it. She don't like you, fam.
Nah, bro.
She's thinking, oh, this guy is dead. Yo.
Oi. Dude, absolute.
Oh, good brakes on that, you know. Yeah, you're a bad driver. She waiting for families committed nearly a felony.
Oh, mate.
House prices are going down.
Oh, mate.
This
My
car drives by.
heart just went, cuzzy. My heart
Is that
went.
one of them
My
moments?
heart went. I was like, right, I don't know if we're gonna hit this. And I was trying to go left in it so I can just squeeze in the middle, innit?
Hit the gap. You would have
But
made
bro,
the gap.
yeah, I would have. That's why I was leaning that way. But mate,
TDI had other plans.
no, bro. Nah, it ruined. This is my favorite chicane.
That's more dangerous than us, you know.
Yeah, it ruined it. You.
Couldn't even get a ruler in that gap. She
Nearly.
didn't have a clue that we're in Forza now. Game mode engine. Oh, I love that fart, you know.
Yeah.
Satisfaction.
Alright, the chicane. I love this bit.
That's a chicane.
brakes are nuts. The brakes are insane. Oh, oh no, not this. Not this thing. It does this. It does this, bro. It does this. I think we need to park it up. It does this. This is so jarring, bro.
Start.
No. It did this. Oh, mate. It's done this twice. Me owning the car now, the third time it's doing it. I took it to Audi, and they said there's nothing wrong with it. I put a video up on Instagram, TikTok, and everyone's saying that the Mechatronic is gone. Mechatronic is gone, but I told Audi, but they didn't.
Just don't want to deal
Yeah,
with it.
because under warranty and didn't want to spend the piece. Yeah. Bro, that is bare. That's bare loud, bro. Bare loud, bro.
It's going to be a beep.
I can smell something, but no, just the brakes, bro. The brakes are stinking, bro.
Why are you scratching your head? You not just see how you just drove. Man's just like contemplating what went wrong.
That's fine, but I just need to park. I just need to cool down.
At least your engine bay looks good.
Yeah.
Some of these are modder, yeah. It looks butters. There's just cables and zip ties everywhere.
Well, yeah, guys, as you can see, Well, yeah, guys, as you can see, we've just obviously we've went B-road bashing with my guy over here. Obviously, yeah, that's the S3. Obviously, we had a little bit of problem with the gearbox, but yeah, I still don't know how to resolve that issue. Hopefully, she's all right. Because right now she's stuck in second gear. Don't know why, but yeah, man. Obviously, when the engine cools down and the gearbox cools down, obviously I think she might be all right, because it's the third time it's happened. But she should be all right, man. I reckon she should be all right. But yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for watching the video. Obviously, if you've enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, share the love, comment down below and tell me as well what you think. Obviously, my driving is mad. But yeah, man, I'll see you guys in a bit. Peace.